Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is now 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas! Mas lalong uminit ang laban ngayong hapon dahil officially, Maria Atisa Manalo has roared back to the top. Muli niyang sinungkit ang number 1 spot at ngayon ay dominating na ang Beyond the Crown category, overtaking Paraguay. The battlefield is shaking, the rankings are shifting, and our queen is making it clear she is not just leading, she is taking over. Sa bawat boto, bawat share at bawat suporta ng sambayanang Pilipino, mas lalong lumalakas ang laban ni Atisa sa Miss Universe 2025. Kaya sa lahat ng mga supporters, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Philippines, the victory is because of you. Pero hindi pa dito natatapos. Tuloy-tuloy lamang ang bakbakan. Now is the time to go harder. Vote stronger and make the universe hear us louder. Let's keep pushing until the crown shines for the Philippines. Muli, as your pageant vlogger host, maraming salamat sa lahat ng patuloy na sumusuporta at bumoboto sa ating pambato na si Maria Atisa Manalo. Patuloy nating hikayatin ang ating mga kababayan at mga pageant fans of our very own Maria Atisa Manalo na patuloy na suportahan hanggang sa Grand Coronation Night. Maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.